Simon Reid here, professional British superbike rider, riding for Alfa Racing BMW, and we are here in the UAE for the Alfa Racing experience. The national circuit, the international circuit, and then the full Grand Prix circuit. So split between those three tracks is fantastic. It surprised me. It has been a lot better than what I expected. Quite similar to some of the circuits in Europe. I think anybody coming here will really enjoy riding around Dubai. Can't wait until the lights come on.
I am Michael Rietveld. I'm from the Netherlands and I work for Alfa Racing as a data and electronic engineer. So having a data engineer helps from being like, let's say, an amateur rider all the way up to be a professional. We can analyze the data for you. For example, you're doing something wrong, you're not opening the throttle correctly. We help, of course, with like electronic issues. If these occur, like maybe simple things like the lap timer doesn't work, we can make that work for you. We can also provide custom mappings. So we change the torque demand map so it makes it easier for, let's say, a slower rider to exit in the lower gears. More traction control if needed for specific requests, custom engine brakes. So we can adjust a lot on this issue and help the rider improve.
My name is Joseph Hoffman and I am part of the Alfa Racing management. It was a really nice experience. There are many riders and we are really happy to make the bikes available to all the riders here in the UAE as well. And yeah, we hope they enjoy it.
So yeah, we've just wrapped up an evening at Yas Marina. We welcomed some clients today, and great to see all the smiles and the happy faces after riding our bikes. So yeah, we're super excited to welcome you along here to the next track day in the UAE with Alfa Racing.